What makes a legend? Is it the number of records sold, the accolades collected, or the hearts touched by their craft? In the case of George Harvey Strait Sr., better known as the King of Country Music, it's all of the above and more, a career crafted like a timeless melody, rooted in authenticity and amplified by sheer talent. Born on May 18, 1952, George Strait is a titan of American country music, a singer, songwriter, actor, and producer whose influence resonates far beyond the honky-tonks of Texas where his journey began. With over 120 million records sold worldwide, Strait stands among the best-selling artists in music history. In fact, he holds the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, record for the most certified albums by any artist, with a staggering 33 platinum or gold certifications. Strait's neo-traditional country style in the 1980s was like a breath of fresh, unfiltered air, bringing the genre back to its roots while many were veering toward pop crossovers. Donning his signature cowboy hat and exuding authentic Texas charm, Strait didn't just sing about the cowboy way of life, he embodied it. It's no wonder critics crowned him the King of Country Music. From the time his breakout single, Unwound, hit the airwaves in 1981, Strait was a force of nature. His 7 chart-topping albums in the 1980s and countless accolades, including Artist of the Decade, multiple Entertainer of the Year awards, and induction into the Country Music Hall of Fame, cemented his place in the pantheon of country greats. With an astonishing 60 #1 hits, Strait holds the all-time record for most chart-topping songs by any artist in any genre. But Strait's magic extended beyond the recording studio. His visionary approach to live performances, including his innovative 360-degree stage setup, revolutionized the concert experience. The Strait tours alone grossed nearly $99 million, and his 2014 farewell concert at AT&T Stadium drew over 104,000 fans, setting a North American indoor concert attendance record. In mid-2024, Strait shattered yet another milestone with over 110,000 fans attending his historic concert at Kyle Field in Texas, the largest ticketed event for a single act in U.S. history. George Strait's life is a ballad of passion, perseverance, and a cowboy spirit that gallops through decades of music and personal milestones. From a starry-eyed elopement with his high school sweetheart, Norma, to becoming one of country music's most revered icons, Strait's story is woven with threads of love, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of authenticity. In 1971, Strait and Norma exchanged vows under the Mexican sky, sealing a partnership that would anchor his extraordinary journey. That same year, he traded his guitar for a uniform, enlisting in the U.S. Army. Stationed in Hawaii, he rekindled his love for music, performing with the Army-sponsored band Ramblin' Country. In this sunlit chapter, their first child, Jennifer, was born in 1972, a moment of joy etched forever in their hearts. After serving as a corporal until 1975, Strait left the military to pursue higher education, earning a degree in agriculture at Southwest Texas State University. Even as a student, music called to him like an old friend, leading him to his first performance at Cheatham Street Warehouse in 1975. Strait's early career was marked by hard work and humble beginnings. Leading the ace in the whole band, he played honky-tonks and bars across Texas, carving a name in regional circles. With persistence and a little luck, he captured the attention of RIAA Records in 1981, launching his solo career. Surprisingly, in that same year he welcomed a baby boy named Bubba. His debut single, Unwound, became a hit, and from there, his ascent to the top was swift and steady. Strait's neo-traditional sound, a blend of western swing and honky-tonk, stood as a beacon in a sea of pop country, earning him the nickname, King of Country Music. Tragedy struck in 1986 when Strait's daughter Jennifer was killed in a car accident. Deeply affected, Strait withdrew from the media but channeled his grief into his craft, producing a string of #1 hits that solidified his legacy. By the late 80s, his albums consistently topped charts, with tracks like All My Exes Live in Texas and Oceanfront Property becoming anthems of the era. The 90s saw Strait embracing new challenges, including a starring role in the film Pure Country and the release of its highly successful soundtrack. His albums continued to dominate, with hits like I Cross My Heart and Carrying Your Love With Me, cementing his status as a crossover sensation. Strait also pioneered the George Strait Country Music Festival, introducing fans to rising stars like Tim McGraw and Faith Hill while furthering his own reach. As the new millennium dawned, Strait's music evolved, yet he remained rooted in tradition. From the heartfelt Run to the reflective It Just Comes Natural, he continued to release chart-topping albums and singles, culminating in his 2009 recognition as ACM's Artist of the Decade. Strait's live performances also set records, including his Cowboy Rides Away tour, which culminated in a historic 2014 concert attended by over 104,000 fans. Strait's later years have been defined by philanthropy and legacy. From founding the Jennifer Lynn Strait Foundation to organizing fundraisers for disaster relief, he has used his platform to give back. In 2024, Strait shattered attendance records with a concert at Kyle Field, drawing over 110,000 fans and reaffirming his unparalleled status in country music. Through it all, Strait's music remains a testament to his enduring authenticity. With over 70 million records sold in the US alone, his impact on the genre is immeasurable. A true trailblazer, Strait's journey is a timeless reminder that the heart of country music beats strongest when it stays true to its roots. At 72 years old, George Strait, the legendary king of country music, calls a 12.2-acre sanctuary in San Antonio, Texas, his home, a property that is as iconic as the man himself. Listed for $7.5 million, this adobe masterpiece, built by renowned sculptor and architect Bill Tull, reflects Strait's understated luxury and deep connection to Texas charm. Designed with exquisite attention to detail, the 7,925-square-foot estate took nearly 2 years to come to life, embodying a blend of Southwestern artistry and modern elegance. The mansion's interior is a symphony of craftsmanship, with 14 hand-sculpted fireplaces that add warmth and character to every corner. The heart of the home, the kitchen, is both functional and a visual feast, equipped with high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and a central island perfect for family gatherings or intimate dinners. The adjoining dining space is bathed in natural light, offering a cozy yet refined ambience. The master suite is a retreat within a retreat, designed for ultimate comfort and privacy. With separate his and hers bathrooms and closets, as well as individual fireplaces, it's a haven of elegance. The soft adobe walls and hand-carved accents imbue the space with a sense of calm sophistication, ideal for unwinding after a day spent enjoying his many hobbies, including golfing, team roping, and flying his private Gulfstream G450 jet. Each of the additional 3 bedrooms is equally inviting, offering ensuite bathrooms, unique architectural touches, and stunning views of the surrounding Texas landscape. The home also features a dedicated entertainment room, a quiet library, and spacious living areas adorned with custom woodwork and hand-painted tiles, showcasing Tull's artistry at its finest. Step outside, and the magic continues. The infinity-edge glass tile pool shimmers like a desert oasis, accompanied by a spa that's perfect for soaking under the expansive Texas sky. The outdoor spaces are tailored for entertaining, with sprawling patios, lush landscaping, and panoramic views that stretch for miles, capturing the rugged beauty of the Lone Star State. With a net worth estimated at $300 million, Strait's lifestyle balances work, leisure, and philanthropy. Whether performing, attending rodeos, or hosting family gatherings at this dreamlike estate, Strait embodies a timeless charm that resonates both on and off the stage. His home, much like his music, is a masterpiece that harmonizes tradition, elegance, and the spirit of Texas living. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.